Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make a PDF editable text and image using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is my PDF file and I'll make this editable text and image. Click on this tools option. Now select scan and OCR option and click this recognize text option and select in this file, and this is setting option. You can select a specific page, current page or all pages, and select a document language. I select English US, and this output option. Select here editable text and image. Also you can change down sample DPI. Now simply select OK and recognize text. And this is converting. Okay. Now PDF file completely editable and searchable images created. Yeah. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.